It's okay. Hey. Look. Oh well, we're not gonna worry about it. We're not gonna worry about that. Hey, I'm just coming up there. You're not gonna worry about that part. Look, you don't need to play with my branch. Yeah, I see ya. I see ya.
Come on back, kid.
It's okay, he's fine. He's gonna come to me when I get up there. I'm not worried about him. I don't need that. Hey, Buffy, coming, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, Buffy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey. 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 Hi, baby. Hey. Hi. Hey, come on down here. I know. Look, come over here. Come over here. Come over here. I know. Hey. Hey. Put my bag on my hand. Hey. Hi. Hey. Hello. Hi, baby. Hey. Oh boy. Yeah, I know. You're a good kitty. You're a good kitty. You're a good kitty. I know, I'm coming. I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. Oh, you're a sweetie. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah. Come here. Good job. I know. You don't like the bag. You don't like the bag. I'm just going to put him on my I'm gonna put him on my belt, and I'll give you the whole bag, and I'll ask you just to bring the whole bag inside. Okay?
Oh, in the house.
In the house.
Yes.
Okay. That way, I mean, they don't like being in the bag. He'll be okay 5 minutes after you let him out.